do this. Old is on the top, new is at the bottom. See that? See those 2 points? So I'm going to install this into here and put this hole into that post there. You can see this is the new. So now when the condenser turns to here, it will open the point. You can see this. See that? Open the point. And this over here is connected to this screw, which connects to this negative here. That's the positive to the ignition coil. This is the negative to the ignition coil. You know, so I'm gonna try to in there, but before I do, I want to take a picture of these two. Having problem here because this metal strip versus this black wire, you can see it's a little bit longer than it should, you know, and the wire you can flex it, and this cable I don't see much of let me show you. So I put it in. Doesn't look like there is much wiggle room there. You see, I'm actually out of room. That actually came out. You know, so it's almost like I have to put this thing over there. You know, so tough. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna can't remember how these were put in. Without breaking this thing. You see? I want this to go back in that thing there. And this wire is apparently gonna break after some, because it's too long. You can see that this wire is too long. This is bad. Nothing is as easy as it's look. Can I remove this? Not sure if I can remove this and move it here. Yeah, so trouble. and I don't know if I can reuse the old. I don't think I can even reuse the old. Because reuse this old metal piece. I don't know, maybe I can reuse the, instead of this metal piece here. You know, maybe that's what I'll do. And drill through this thing, and then be able to reuse this older cable instead of this new cable here, because it doesn't fit. Alright, so that's my plan. So I'm gonna drill through this and then reuse this piece. Thing is easy. So I'm taking this.
Taking this out now.
Oh, okay. Okay. So backing this out, and I'm gonna remove this, but I'm not gonna do it yet. I'm gonna first drill this through so I can get this piece. Alright, you can see I'm gonna drill through this so I can reuse this cable. Just use my flat screwdriver, and then I get this, and you can see that pops out. So now this is one piece, and I can reuse this wire now. This piece came out. These are the spacers. This is the rivets. So, and this is the point, and this is the condenser. Okay, so that's that. Okay, so and you can see this is the one that the old one, and this is the new one, too long. So I'm gonna remove this new one, put the old one on. Okay, this is back in there. Come on, back in there. Get back in there. Okay, you can see. That is in there. So that's in there versus this guy here, you know. Okay, that's there.